The price tag for this question is $10. You know Jesus, right? The one you read about in the New Testament. Yes, that one. Are you sure you know him? If that is the case, what was his last name? Most people answered that Jesus' last name was Messiah. That is not accurate. One or two people said Nazareth. I don't know where they got that from. But Jesus did not have a last name. The person who got the question correct first is Madame Antoinette Apiakubi. She wins herself $10 in CD equivalent. Why do you think that Jesus' last name was Messiah? And those who said Nazareth, why did you think that? In those days, people did not have last names. Madame Antoinette, congratulations on winning this question.